Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, in this video, I will explain about all the materials I have learned. Okay, introduce. My name is Sulfi Julika. BP number 20101820119 from class Computer Engineering 2A. Okay, I will explain one by one the material that I have learned. Here I will start from how to introduce myself. Things to consider when introducing yourself. First, greeting. The second, your name. The third, location. The fourth, position and company. The fifth, qualifications. The sixth, experience. The seventh, family. The eighth, hobby. The ninth, age. The 10 fun facts. For example, good night everyone. Introduce. My name is Sulfi Julika. My address is on the South Coast. I am now 19 years old. I have 8 siblings, 2 girls and 6 boys. And I am currently a student at the Padang State Polytechnic majoring in Information Technology, the 3 Computer Engineering study program. I like to play badminton. Next is the material about of the importance of English for IT students. English is very important for IT students because all programs and events are all in English, and the learning modules in it all use English. As an example, the first English gives you wider access to knowledge. For example, in the IT Learn model, everything use English. The second, you can easily travel anywhere in the world. For example, we went to go over. We must be able to speak English because English is a global language. The third, speak English gives you access to work of entertainment. For example, music, movie, and drums. You use English a lot. With use being able to speak English, then we will easily understand and the meaning. For English opens up new career opportunities. Good English skill can help your career path to get better promotions and positions. For example, the company gets a foreign client and or has to hold a meeting abroad. Next is material. Give an opinion about the importance of English for IT students assessment. I think English is very important for students because every learning module and programming language uses English. Next is materials. Youngest Facebook IT engineer lessons. Michelle Simon. The Michelle Simon use his youth to help both the economy of his parents by creating iOS applications when he was 13 years old. At the age of 17, Michelle Simon an apprentice at Facebook and was hired by Facebook when he was 18 years old. Next is materials. Importance of English for IT students and IT file related vocabulary. A lot of vocabulary related to it. There are several types of vocabulary such as nouns, adjective, verb, adverb, superlative, adjective. Well, here I will explain a little explanation of some of the types of vocabulary used. The first, nouns. Nouns are words used to name or mention people, things, places, and ideas. The second, adjective are words that describe the quality or status of being of nouns. The third verb are words that indicate an action, event, or state of being. The fourth adjective is class of words that give information to other words. And the last is superlative adjective used to describe an object and that has the highest or lowest level. Next is material working in IT industry. The increasingly advanced technology is a sign of a rapid development of information technology in the world, including in Indonesia. This technological advance provides many opportunities for work who have skills in the IT industry. Many companies are now looking for candidates who can not only design, research, but also candidates who can develop hardware and software in IT. Yes, you all say that this is the area of technology. Here is no longer a worker who is technologically stuttering in today's companies. This is the background why careers in the IT field are now sought after by many companies. In addition to keeping pace with technological advance, it is also to increase company efficiency and productivity. There are many careers in this field, including the first is a web developer, the second is software engineering, the third is a mobile applications developer, the fourth is information security analyst, the fifth is IT support, and many more. Next is material. Review basic grammar. Subject, verb, and object. The subject, IT self, is the actor or person who carries out certain activities. Subjects are generally known such as names of people, animals, plants, and things. And the predicate is a sentence element that stated the activity being carried out by the actor. Predicates are usually verbs, while the object is something that is subject to action by the subject. Like the subject can be a noun. Next is material. Hardware is the part of the computer that we can see its physical form. Computer hardware is composite of electronic and mechanical components that are assembled to form modules that are named according to their functions. Hence, the computer hardware, the first mainboard or motherboard, the second processor, the third hard disk, the fourth RAM, the fifth optical drivers. Next is materials. The paragraph to describe the object consists of 5 parts as follows. The first functions, the second components, the third characteristic, the fourth position, the fifth connection between parts. Next is material. Software. A software is a special term of data that is formatted and stored digitally, including computer programs, their documentations, and various information that can be read and written by a computer. In other words, part of a computer system that is obtainable. Software functions, processing data, components, or specific instructions so that users can operate their computers according to the desired information result. Software example, the first software system, the second is browser software, the third one is Microsoft Office, the fourth filing software, the fifth antivirus software. Next is material. Comparative means to comparative the difference between two objects. Making a comparative example sentence requires an adjective or an adverb. In these comparisons, there are four types. The comparisons that can be used in making English sentence. Namely, comparisons based on one syllable, comparisons based on two syllables, comparisons based on three syllables, and exceptions. Next is material. The superlative degree is used to comparative. There are more objects, which can be living or inanimate adjective. Inanimate object, the superlative degree is the high level in degrees of comparisons, and if I is translated into Indonesian, the superlative has the meaning of mass. Alright, this is where the explanations of the material from me. If there is something wrong and the lack of it, please forgive me. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.